we also can create this kind of cube from the scripting. So I'm going to create an empty object to link scripting here, and then I will change the name. Well, you can change the name from here, and then just press one more or F2, or you can change also name from here as well in the inspector screen. So I'll say brick wall script, and I'm going to bring the link with the brick. Well, or it's fine. We can create another script. It's fine. Brick wall generator. Here's a brick wall generator, and I'm going to link with this to here. Well, I'll make sure the transform is set to 0, 0, 0. So here, let's start instantiate how to that is how to create the object from the script. So probably game object. Well, I'm not a best typer, so I think you can follow. And in the start, well, because we're going to generate only once, so we're not going to update this time. So in the start, so vector 3D position of the brick wall is vector, I'm sorry, new vector 3, and well, let's say 0, 0, 0 this time first. And rotation, again, game object, new object. Sorry, new object, and new object is instantiate. Yes, like this. So yeah, instantiate means like usually it's creating the object inside of the Unity. So we're going to instantiate, we're going to create the object. The brick object, we're going to use this brick object, and position of here, and which is like the rotation is going to be like just this. For now, I didn't give any numbers, so yeah, it's going to be, there's no rotation, but however, yeah, this is how you generate, instantiate the object. So when you save it, and let's delete the first cube. We're not going to use it, but or how you make the prefab. I mean, usually you also can use this object. So when you click the brick wall script, you will see brick object and game object, but there's nothing. So for now, when you click it, nothing's happened, of course, but well, in here, just in case, I'll change it to 5F. So it can generate some other place rather than 0, 0, 0. So you need to drag and drop this cube inside of the brick object. When you see here, when you see this like red sign, it means bad. It means there is an error. But it shows this because I didn't attach the cube inside of this script. So for now, if I clear it, it's going to be disappear, which means doesn't have error, hopefully. So when I play, yeah, it generated cube over here, which is the 5,0,0,0. And yeah, this is only for the gameplay. So if you stop to play, it's going to disappear. So this is how you instantiate the object.